So hello, welcome to 2.3. We are going to look at this document over here, which is a financial document. It says there, below is a bank statement for Miss Lerato for the month of March 2022. Use the account statement below to answer the questions that follow. Now, if you look at this one here, it says bank statement, right? That is the type of financial document. What type of financial document is this? A bank statement, right? And then this is the address for the bank, the name of the bank, the name of the client, the address for the client. And then this is the type of account. So if they say, what type of account did Miss Lerato open with Goodwill Bank? Elite current account, and there's an account number, and we're just going to look at the balance. This is an overdraft because it's negative. What does that mean? It means that she owes the bank money. The money belongs to the bank, it's not hers. It's a bank statement, so we're supposed to see how much she has in the bank, but we get there, we're like, she doesn't have money. In fact, she owes money to the bank. She's going to have to pay that back. Statement costs. So what happens was, while she was owing the bank, she then owed more money, and then the loan or the overdraft increased, and then she purchased with the bank's money, and the overdraft increased again. But then at 2:20, she received her income. Now we're just going to look at that. When she received the income, the balance was minus 3,192 rands and 5 cents, plus then she received B. We don't know what B is, and then she got a balance of 15,761 rand and 80 cents, right? And then what we're going to do is, in order for B to know what B is, we have to take this to the other side because it's sitting with B, and B needs to be on its own, and therefore we're going to say B is equal to 15,761.8. and now if we take this to the side, it's going to be positive, right? So it's going to be 3,192 rands and 5 cents, and the answer is 18,953 rands and 85 cents. This is the amount that she received. Then the bank took its 3,000 rand, and she was left with 15,000. And then after that, at 25 past, the insurance took its money, and then as you can see, her balance then dropped, and she received dividends at 28 past 2, and then her balance again increased, and then the bond, she paid her bond. A bond is a loan for a house, specifically for a house, and then this is her monthly installment. She paid that, and then her balance decreased. And auto bank deposit, she got money from somewhere, somebody paid her money, and then she her balance increased, and then she owed bank fees, and then her balance decreased, and then she had to pay fuel at the garage per petrol, and then her balance decreased. As you can see, that's the pattern we're going. Okay, so we're going to answer, determine the salary B paid into her account on the 21st of February. We've already determined that. I'm just going to write it nicely. All right, so the banking fees, it says they calculate the total banking fees charged in March 2022. So if you look at that, that's February, and then it's March. Okay, in March, first fee there is 42 rand and 37 cents. And the second fee in March is 17 rand and 47 cents. And the last fee is 108, right? And the total will be 160 rand 72, the fees that were in March.